In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date and time in Google Sheets using shortcut keys. If you work in Google Sheets regularly, knowing these shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually typing the date or checking the clock and entering the time yourself, you can insert the current date, the current time, or both instantly with a quick keyboard command. This is especially useful for tracking updates, logging entries, and keeping spreadsheets organized. Let's start with inserting the current date. In Google Sheets, click on the cell where you want the date to appear. If you are using Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl and the semicolon key at the same time. If you are on a Mac, press Command and the semicolon key. As soon as you use the shortcut, Google Sheets will place the current date into the selected cell. This is a fast and reliable way to add today's date without typing it manually. Next, let's look at how to insert the current time. Again, begin by selecting the cell where you want the time to go. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl, Shift, and semicolon together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and semicolon. This inserts the current time directly into the active cell. It's a great shortcut to use when you want to record the exact time something happened or when an entry was made. Now let's cover how to insert both the date and time together. Start by clicking the cell where you want both values to appear. If you are using Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and semicolon at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Option, Shift, and semicolon. Google Sheets will then insert both the current date and the current time into that cell. This is especially helpful when you need a full timestamp for records, submissions, or activity logs. When using these shortcuts, make sure the correct cell is selected first, since the information will appear exactly where your cursor is active. Also, if the display looks different than expected, that may simply be due to the cell's formatting in your sheet. The shortcut still inserts the correct value, even if the appearance varies slightly. These simple keyboard shortcuts can make your workflow much faster and help you keep your data accurate and consistent. Once you practice them a few times, they become very easy to remember and use every day. Thanks for watching.